Okay, so this is my husband, Jose. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
All right, and I got my Stanley and my water, so we're about to hit the road. And yeah, go enjoy our Saturday, and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, so this is my necklace. I got to drop this back off at the jeweler. We bought this years ago, but bought the lifetime warranty, and it keeps breaking because it's so thin. So they're gonna have to fix this or give me a new one. So we're gonna head there first and drop this off. Okay, so I dropped my necklace off, and they're gonna try and fix that. And now we're at World Market, so we're gonna come into World Market really here. Park right here. We're gonna go into World Market real quick, and then yeah, just waiting, killing time to pick up my kids. So yeah, being a big bag. Oh, samples. Okay, there you got his gift. Oh, that man bar. Okay, that's a new thing. See, I would have got something like that for his birthday, but I already bought it. Oh, these are neat. Oh, is there a birthday one? Let me get my baby one. Happy Father's Day. Why are these all about Dad?
Father's Day's coming up, huh?
What? I didn't even celebrate Mother's Day. All of these are Father's Day? No birthday? Oh, I need to find. So it is our son's birthday that we're celebrating. It's a late birthday, but I still want to get him a card. So we're trying to find a card for him. But we're not finding one. And he's a new dad too. So that's going to be so cool. So we got to find something for his birthday. I like these little pop-up ones. These are kind of cool. The happiest birthday. Choose your own message. Those are cute. How much are these?
They're not. They're dead jokes.
All right, y'all, these are my kids. This is Kim. She's the one having the baby. And my son, Jay, or Jose Jr. So we came to this really cute Mexican restaurant. So we're excited to try it. All right, show you guys. Starting off with some tamales. Okay, so this is what I have. I got the beef, I can't remember what this is called, but something. What'd you get? Oh, like.
There you go.
You got a good one.
Okay. Yummy. It's so cute. Thank you. Hello. More stuff for my hair. And then I gotta do, they have deodorant cream. So this place is cool because you just kind of put all of your ingredients, like when you make your own ingredients, you can put them into the jars and then just kind of make your own. So that's why I really like this place. So yeah, like you fill up your bottles or whatever with this, and then you can make your own products. So that's pretty cool. Lots of things here. So we are coming on a little bit of a nature walk, which is so cute. So we came out to the park to do a little bit of a photo shoot and enjoy a little bit of nature. It's actually pretty nice out here. First time coming to this park here, but it's actually pretty nice. I do like it. Pretty nice. Pretty, all these purple